Hello fellow 3D printers, I'm J-Walt, and today's design was requested by my cool little cat Bobo. And he asked me a while ago if I could make him some cat armor to protect him against the dangers of the world and double as his Halloween costume. So of course I said yes, and we began the prototyping immediately. We started off first just drawing out how we wanted the overall look and vibe of the armor to be. And I suggested that it should have spikes because I always pet him in a reverse pattern, so his hair is all crazy and he looks like a spiky tiger. Once Bobo approved the sketch, we went into 3D modeling, and the modeling took forever. And we just tweaked and tweaked and tweaked until Bobo felt that the design was good enough to wear. And boom! Bobo's cat armor is complete. So now all cats all over the world can roam safely. The entire design can be built with 100% 3D printable parts, or you can use brass fasteners to hold the armor together. Personal preference. We even left a little hole back here for the leash. We have a name tag ring on the chest plate right below the catnip holder, and the tail attaches using 3D printed rings, and then the spike tips you can run 1.75 PLA to quickly attach or detach the tail from the backside. We would still like to add a helmet to the cat armor, so we thought it'd be cool if we opened the project up to more collaborators and asked if any of my subscribers out there would be interested in helping us out with the helmet design. And so Bobo and I will pick the winner and design the helmet around your design, then send you this cat armor with your helmet for free. So feel free to do some helmet sketches and send your idea to any of the Print That Thing socials and I'll find them. Thanks for watching. Would love to see photos of your cat wearing this if they do. And please feel free to subscribe if you like 3D printing, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.